Tobacco smoke is harmful not only to a smoker's health but also to indirect smokers. Even worse, smoking leaves the surroundings smelling like an ashtray, a stench that isn't appealing at all, which is why you need an exhaust fan for a smoking room. There are many products available to choose from exhaust fan for smoking room, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best exhaust fan for smoking room from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best exhaust fan for smoking room. Number 1. Bionaire Window Fan. The Bionaire BW2300N window fan works well to keep environmental tobacco smoke and stale air out of your home. It has twin blades with independent settings, which allow you to set the fan functions to suit your situation. For instance, if you are smoking inside the house, you can set one blade to expel stale air and the other to draw in fresh air from outside to keep your interior atmosphere fresh and comfortable even with all the smoke. This window fan also comes with a programmable thermostat that allows you to choose a comfortable temp level for your room. It has built-in adjustable extenders that give you a custom fit for all your windows between 24 inches to 37 inches. It is designed to fit double-hung, vertical slider, and casement windows. The unit also comes fully assembled, so installation is instant. Number 2. Comfort Zone CZ310 or 3. The Comfort Zone multifunctional reversible twin window fan is a versatile fan that is sure to meet all your needs. It has 3 fan speed settings and 3 fan functions for you to choose from to ensure your ultimate comfort. The intake function brings fresh, cool air into a room, the exhaust function has the fans working to remove stale and stuffy air from your place, and the circulate function sucks out humid hot air. It has a remote control that gives you full control of the unit without touching it. You can use the remote to power the fan on/off and choose different fan functions or fan speeds. The unit also includes a removable screen that helps to keep bugs, dust, and debris out of the fan, ensuring total protection of the unit. It also has adjustable accordion expanders, which can be adjusted to fit windows between 23.5 foot to 37 in size. Number 3. Holmes Dual 8-inch Blade Twin Window Fan. Jarden HAWF 2041 Window Fan, in with the good air, out with the bad air. The Holmes twin window fan operates quietly and efficiently by taking in fresh, cool outdoor air and exhausting stale, warm indoor air. The manual thermostat sets and maintains the ideal comfort level. The dual blade operation has independent controllable, reversible motors with 3 speed settings. The motors are water resistant and safe to use during rainy weather. Designed to fit most double-hung and slider windows. 1 adjustable accordion extender screen and 1 5-inch removable panel help a secure fan in larger windows. Number 4. Holmes Group Bionaire Thin Window Fan. Get relief from hot weather and stale air using the Bionaire Thin Window Fan with digital thermostat. Designed to fit windows with minimum openings of 65 cm by 20 cm or 25.5 in x 8 in. This window unit uses 3 independently controlled fans to circulate air and provide efficient cooling. This window circulator fan comes equipped with a digital thermostat to provide easy, precise control over airflow, and it features 3 speed settings for personalized comfort. Dual locking extender screens hold the fan rigidly in place, helping ensure a secure fit. Number 5. Comfort Zone CZ319 WT9. 2-speed airflow output designed for ultimate versatility, this Comfort Zone 9-inch portable twin window fan offers 2-speed functions that can generate a strong breeze or circulate the air in your home with ease. The output is controlled with the manual dial, allowing you to adjust the airflow by simply turning the switch. The twin fan design offers added power and helps fill your environment with fresh, cool air. Auto-locking expanders equipped with auto-locking according to expanders on the sides, this twin airflow window fan easily adjusts to fit the width of your window. These expanders are suitable for windows between 22.5 and 33 wide, providing a snug, secure fit. Reversible exhaust function. Not only can this twin-blade window fan fill your home office, bedroom, or living room with cool air, but it can also be reversed to push hot, stale air out of your home. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.